Hi, it's Hector Diaz. So far, we've discussed pricing and presenting to prepare your home for sale. The next step is getting your listing to be seen by thousands of people with the right promotion. Here's how we do it.
The real estate industry has changed more in the past 5 years than in the previous 50. As technology continues to advance, many real estate agents have adapted to the times by leveraging modern solutions to sell real estate. Producing quality marketing material is great, but what it truly comes down to is how we promote them. By staying up to date with the latest trends, technology, and platforms, our team is able to promote your listing to thousands of prospective home buyers who are actively searching for homes online. We utilize a number of online marketing, search engine optimization, display advertising, and social media advertising tactics to connect with qualified home buyers. In fact, your listing will automatically be distributed to hundreds of real estate aggregator sites such as Realtor.com, Zillow, Trulia, Homes.com, and the list goes on and on. Furthermore, Facebook has reached such a massive audience that it has become impossible for real estate agents to ignore. In fact, Facebook has over 1.73 billion users that are visiting the site on a daily basis, making it a great platform to utilize to advertise your listing. Our team will develop a strategic game plan to effectively distribute your home online. The more exposure your listing has, the easier it is to find more qualified buyers, get more offers, have more leverage when negotiating, and in the end, net more money. In the next video, we'll discuss how we can turn online leads into physical appointments.
If you want to learn more about how my team and I can help you in listing your home, feel free to reach out to me today. Give me a call, text, or send me a private message below. Thanks for watching.